How to assemble cool EB20. Open the product package and check if the parts are complete. 1. Tool set 2, drink holder 3, support frame 4, mudguard bracket screws 5, headlight and accessories 6, saddle 7, pedals 8, rear pedal 8, brake pads and accessories 9, charger. Side stand installation. Stabilize the bicycle and tighten the screws. Remove all straps and protective foam. Handlebar installation. Loosen the screws on the front tube fixing part. Insert the steering wheel into the front fork and fix it. Tighten the screws and adjust the steering wheel to the correct position. Front wheel installation. Remove the quick release buckle spring and nut. Align the front wheel hole. Put it on the center axis of the front wheel. Tighten the nut and lock the quick release buckle. Front fender installation. Place the fender under the U-shaped frame of the front fork. Fix the screws with a wrench. First loosen the 2 screws on the left and right sides. Reinstall the fender and tighten the 2 screws on the left and right sides. Front light installation. Make sure the power is on. Turn off the power of the motor vehicle. Place the headlight mounting bracket on the frame. Level and tighten the bracket screws. And tighten the left and right screws of the headlight. When connecting the light wire connector, please make sure that T Saddle installation. Loosen all the screws on the back of the saddle. Align it with the frame holes. And tighten the screws. Drink holder installation. Fix the drink holder and tighten the screws. Pedal installation. Use the logo to identify the left and right pedals. L stands for the left pedal. R stands for the right pedal. Use a wrench to fix the pedal on the sprocket side. Rear pedal installation. Fix the rear pedal to the rear fork with screws. Battery with lock plus USB to charging methods. 1 direct charging to removable battery. Now enjoy your happy ride.